Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Banking Digits. My name is Soikat Maji. Today I am going to discuss on a topic which is going to be completely different from my previous videos. As well, this is going to be very exciting for you. Everyone can use these ideas to generate a passive source of income irrespective of where you are working or what you are doing. Yes, as you can see in the screen, today's topic is how to make money online. What are the options available to you? What are the websites you may refer to work on these ideas? All the informations related to these topics which is mentioned in the screen will be shared in this video. So stay tuned and do not skip the video. So first option is freelancing. You should always verify and consider genuine websites only which offers the platform to start your freelancing journey. Some of the genuine platforms are Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, etc. You can earn money from these websites as per your skills and expertise like writing, graphic designing, programming, virtual assistants, marketing, and there are many more. Here, first register on the platform of your choice, use a professional photo, write a clear, concise title and a compelling overview that highlights your skills and expertise. Add samples of your work relevant to the services you offer. List all relevant skills, be honest about your proficiency, fill in your work history and educational background. Second option is selling products online on various e-commerce stores like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Shopify. Here you can sell handmade products like jewelry, home decor, clothing, art, etc. Vintage products like antiques, retro fashion, collectibles, etc. You can explore drop shipping, that is, selling products that are shipped directly from the supplier to the customer without the seller handling the inventory. You can also sell ebooks, printables, digital art, software, etc. under digital products. The process begins by setting up an online store, listing your products with detailed description and high quality images, and then managing orders and shipping. Effective inventory management, prompt order fulfillment, and good customer service are crucial to maintaining a successful online business. Third option is affiliate marketing. You can use various online platforms like Amazon Associate, ShareASale, Commission Junction, etc. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products through unique affiliate links provided by platforms such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. This marketing strategy is often utilized in blogs, YouTube channels, and social media platforms. The process works by integrating these affiliated links into content. When readers or viewers click on these links and make a purchase, the affiliate marketer earns a commission. The key to success in affiliate marketing is creating valuable content that naturally incorporates these links, encouraging audience engagement and resulting in higher sales and commissions. Fourth option available to you is selling online courses and ebooks using platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing to share educational courses, self-help books, fiction and non-fiction. The process entails developing valuable and engaging content, publishing it on the platforms, and earning money from sales and royalties. This method allows creators to monetize their expertise and reach a global audience. Fifth option is uploading stock photography and videos using platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStocks to showcase your photography and videography skills. By uploading your photos or videos to these stock websites, you can earn royalties each time your content is downloaded. This allows photographers and videographers to monetize their work and reach a broad audience. Sixth option is blogging and vlogging. Blogging and vlogging involve creating content on platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and YouTube, where you can generate revenue through AdSense, sponsored posts, merchandise, and memberships. The process starts by consistently producing high quality content, growing your audience through engagement and promotion, and then monetizing your efforts through ads, sponsorships, and other income streams. Seventh option is remote work. Here you need to use platforms like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs to find jobs in fields such as customer service, project management, sales, and IT. The process starts by applying for remote positions that match your skills and experience. Once hired, you perform your job duties from home, communicating and collaborating with your team online. This work model provides flexibility and eliminates the need for commuting. Next option, online tutoring and consulting, involve using platforms like VipKid, Chegg Tutors, and Clarity.fm to offer expertise in various subjects such as academics, business, and life coaching. This process includes providing personalized tutoring or consulting sessions where you get paid for sharing your knowledge and helping clients achieve their goals. These platforms connect you with students or clients seeking specialized guidance and support. Ninth option is app and website testing. You can use these platforms like user testing, Try My UI, and TestBirds. It requires basic tech knowledge and attention to detail. The process works by testing websites and apps, providing detailed feedback on user experience and functionality, and getting paid for the test. This helps developers improve their products based on real users' insights. Tenth option is investment. Here you can use platforms like Robinhood, eToro, and accounts to allocate funds into various assets such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, and peer-to-peer lending opportunities. Each platform offers distinct features tailored to different investment preferences. By investing, individuals aim to generate returns over time, navigating through market fluctuations and assessing risk. The process involves researching assets, making informed decisions, and adopting strategies based on market conditions. Overall, investing requires careful consideration of financial goals and risk tolerance to effectively grow wealth over the long term. To succeed in your endeavors, follow these essential tips. First, conduct thorough research to comprehend the platform and market dynamics you are engaged in. Second, continually hone and enhance your skills to stay competitive and adaptable. Third, maintain consistency in your efforts to build momentum and achieve sustainable progress. Fourth, leverage networking opportunities to connect with peers and mentors, fostering collaboration and learning. Finally, consider diversifying your income streams to spread risk and enhance financial stability. These strategies collectively bolster your chances of achieving long-term success in your chosen field. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments box below. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more insightful contents. Thank you.